I don't know what I did for you to do those things to me. I never did those things to you before. You got me fucked up. Christian cross stabbed in the back, got me all lost in the dark. I'm fucking looking for all the lights are off. Where would I go so wrong? Where did I go so wrong? And all alone, somewhere, somehow, some way, this fucking bitch got me all fucked up. I didn't know. Stuck, lost, stupid and in love. What could I say? I'm just a thug. Romantic in the heart. What could I say? Every thug got a little bit of passion in them. The thug passion, let me put a little thug in them. They wanna say that I can't do it discreet and show these women little things about me, and I ain't tripping what they wanna know about me. They wanna see a player's heart. That I ain't playing them, baby. They wanna see my heart in the eyes and the hearts of men. Look at my life, everything with my life to sin. What could I say with this life? With this life I'm blessed. I could die today, and any moment I could die like, hey, shit, I had a good life, but I'm ready to go. I said fuck my life before. I tried to kill myself before. So many times I fucking struggled through the arguments and struggles in my life. Many fucking troubles facing them. I would have fucking rather lost myself in the crossroads of heaven to hell and get stuck in purgatory cause I killed myself. I give a fuck, I got a gun and I'll protect myself to the fullest. Motherfucker wanna fuck with me, protect yourself. Bitch, I'm fucking worse than the criminals. Fucking situation with motherfucking criminals like me, I'll fucking kill you. Any individual wanna fuck with me, I'll kill you to the motherfucking decimal, to the dot, to the time that you die, that's the time. Get your way, case closed, got away, no gun, no trace. I fucking leave the body drop where it falls. I don't give a fuck, saying fuck the world and fuck the law and every witness that's all. Might just kill them if I want, but I fucking threaten them, saying I fucking get them if they talk. And if they don't believe me, I'll be coming in the front door, going out the back door when I'm done, fucking smiling, smoking the cigarette, feeling fine and fucking get on my ride and drive away, and I'm just eyeing, winding, waving, fucking waving high, and I'm driving, fucking swerving while I'm driving. Yeah, I'm feeling good behind the wheel, tires squeal, see me burning out, driving by high and smiling. Everybody knows I'm under the influence, and I just killed these motherfuckers. Try me, you be next. Don't need the script, don't need the text, don't disrespect, don't say my name, don't trust no bitch. Ain't love no hoes, ain't no motion, ain't no flows, ain't no motherfucking rhymes that I'm saying about my life. I ain't feeling if you can't fucking feel me, fuck my life. I'm ready to die right here today tonight, and I get all up on that kryptonite, smoking up on that kryptonite. I'm feeling fine, smoking weed, I'm getting high, drinking and I'm swerving and I'm driving, I'm fucking getting by, saying fuck my life. I'm ready to drive up off the road, ready to fucking crash up at the intersection, running stop signs and red lights, and I'm just ready to go. But ain't nobody there to ride or die with me. I'm ready to go alone to the ends. And then the Bonnie and Clyde shit, just me on my own.